Myself, Kunal Bothra, I am the MD of ERP Industries Private Limited. Until 2018, we were making industrial filters for HVAC industries and automotive plants. Later, from 2019, we got an opportunity and we opened a new plant in Pune exclusively for the pharmaceuticals. And after that, by 2020, we got into railways also and machinery intake like steel plants and etc. Few things I would like to add apart from reporting of sales and production and stores and all these things. Definitely, these are very important aspects. But two more things what I am gaining exclusively from this ERP is that earlier on when we were using normal accounting software, as you know that after the GST simplification, there are HSN codes for each product we sell, and we have varied kind of HSN products available with us. We could not make one single invoice of all the HSN products. So after this simplification, now my people have been very easily, they are making, like if there are more than 10 HSN codes also in one invoice, they are making only one invoice. So basically it is saving a lot of time and paper for the company. As far as I got this support as of now from ERP, it is fantastic, and I hope we will continuously receiving the same support from them.